everyone. I've got rollers in my hair because we've got a very busy day ahead of us. My apartment is an absolute mess, so we're not gonna look at that. Maybe we'll have time to clean it up tonight. But I have a very exciting day ahead because I am doing the new product photo shoot, the first one at least, by myself. So I'm gonna have to do a few different photo shoots, but I thought I would split it up to make it a little bit less stressful and easier on myself. So I booked one of my favorite studios here in Nashville. It's called A Dose of Libra, which is fitting because I'm a Libra. But I booked it here for 2 hours just to get some content myself. So that's why we're getting ready. I have props packed up, I have outfits, and we're getting ready to go. And Spruce is so tired. He is going to take a big nap while I'm gone. I first have to run to the office to print some other props and things out. But let's go because, like I said, we're running a little bit behind this morning. When I run into a ton of people in my building on the way out looking like this, it is a gloomy day, but thankfully the studio I'm going to has a lot of great light and lighting, even if it's gloomy. So hopefully we will be okay. We have some maintenance issues in my apartment, and I think I just passed maintenance going in to fix them. And I left the apartment an absolute mess, and Spruce is in there obviously, so hopefully it'll all be okay. Too much is happening right now, so. All right, let's see if it was worth it and take out my hair. Oh yeah, looking good. But I don't have my hairspray here, but that's okay. It'll hopefully stay because it was in here for so long. I think hair is looking good, hopefully. It stays and lasts for the majority of the photo shoot. To the studio just in time. My session starts at 11 and it is 10:57. So just got to figure out how to get into the studio. I've only been here once before, back in the spring with Caroline. I actually think I vlogged it then too. So just gotta make sure I can get in. All right, let's personally carry all these bags, clothes, and props up. But before we get into the photo shoot and the rest of the vlog, I want to talk about this video's sponsor, which is Kittl. The last time I worked with Kittl, I got a ton of you all telling me how much you like the design program, how you're trying it out for yourself or for your business. And so I'm really excited to share with you guys today about their new feature, Print on Demand. This is such an amazing tool if you want to create customized gifts for your family and friends as we go into the holiday season. You want to create products for your business to sell online or in store, or just even create merch for yourself, your employees, or for fun. I wanted to create my own little sweatshirt because I'd been seeing all these little baby tees on Pinterest that had fun, cutesy, witty sayings, and I wanted to create one for Dream Daily, my business, that said, sorry, I'll have to check my schedule. Like, you know, we're making time for what's important. Not everything is gonna fit in our schedule. So it's kind of like a funny comment there. So literally months ago, I was looking for a website that would allow me to create just this one-off product that I could get printed and wouldn't cost a ton of money and that I could wear in these photos. And I was having such a hard time finding this. And then Kittl reached out, talked about this feature, and it was exactly what I was looking for. So first I created my design within Kittl. As you can see, I just chose the font I wanted, typed out my text, decided I wanted to add my logo. And at first I was trying to decide if I want to do like the red on a white look like I saw on Pinterest. But after using the mock-up tool and kind of seeing how it looked, I decided I really wanted to go with actually this black sweatshirt that they had, and I wanted to do like a white/cream text. And so I finished that up, looked at my mock-up. It was so easy to do. And then I just selected print your design. I chose from the available options, my size, color, quantity, and bought it just like I would buy from a normal clothing website. And then it shipped so quickly, you'll get your customized printed design in 8 to 10 business days. All right, let me show you guys how it turned out. I am so excited to wear it. It turned out so good. It says, sorry, I'll have to check my schedule during daily. And I got this in a large because I wanted it to be kind of oversized. Here it is on so you can kind of see the fit. But it's a Gildan sweatshirt, so really nice quality, very soft, very thick. It's gonna be the perfect little merch item for me to wear when I work on my business this winter and wanna be cozy and work from home and all the things. So I'm obsessed. I can't wait to order more products, I'm not gonna lie. They have tote bags, mugs, sweatshirts, t-shirts. Seriously, go check out the feature. You can try Kiddo now by clicking the link in the description box. You can design your item, print, and buy it all so seamlessly and so easily, and I hope you guys try it out. And if you do get something printed, please send me a picture on Instagram, tag me, tag Kiddle. We would absolutely love to see your designs. So thank you so much to Kiddle for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back to the vlog and the photo shoot day. Here we are. It looks so good. We have the white half of the studio and then the dark, like black half, which is gonna be perfect for these new products. I'm out of breath from going up and down these stairs, but also the bathroom in here is super cool. Whew. All right, time to get set up. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little stressed. I'm trying to figure out like this cool projector thing I want to do. I can't figure it out. And it's already been 20 minutes. So I only have 2 hours here, and you know, time is money. We're paying for the studio. So I'm a little stressed, but I'm gonna try to do some flat lays. I think that'll be I don't know, help me out a little. I don't know. Why am I like, I feel like I'm so prepared, and now that I'm here, I'm like, I don't know. Maybe I'll try changing and doing something. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. This is not good. So I literally only have vanilla vodka right now. I wanted a martini as a prop, but I'm obviously not gonna drink this because it's vanilla vodka. And then I literally stole olives from the salad I ordered last night, guys. It's not ideal, but we'll see how it looks for like a blurry photo. I need to get a little closer. I use Lens Buddy for when I'm doing like photo shoots like this for myself. Basically takes a bunch of pictures at once so that I can just model and keep moving. And it's so helpful if you're creating content by yourself. I think some of these could work. It's kind of cute if I cropped my legs out. Okay, we're working. I have a few other shoe poses I want to do. I finally figured out how to do the projector. It took me literally so much of today. That's why I was so stressed. But we figured it out. I got a few pics. They're not exactly how I imagined, but they're gonna work. So that's fun. Now I have like 20 minutes. I'm gonna clean up as much as I can and then try to get a few more flat lays maybe. And then we'll be good to go. Feeling good about it though. I really like some of these recent photos that I got. So that's gonna be good. All right, here we have the last little flat lay of the day. 10 minutes till I need to start picking up, but feeling good. I really do love this studio, and the lighting is seriously so good, even though it is such a cloudy, stormy October day. Also, I just put together this fit for the photos. I need to figure out shoes, but I think I'm gonna keep it on because it's really cute fall vibes, and I'm about to run home. I'll tell you in a second. I gotta clean up first. All right, so went home. I ate my leftover chili super quick. It was so good. It's perfect vibes because it's just such a chilly fall day. It's like 60 degrees, cloudy. Now I am here at Portland Brew meeting one of my good friends, Sydney. I haven't seen her, I think, since 2020 because she moved out to San Diego when she graduated Belmont, and I haven't been able to see her since. But she was visiting Nashville, and she's been working here at our old spot in college, Portland Brew, here on 12 South. And I'm really excited to see her again, catch up, and do some work. I'm gonna start editing those photos and like looking through them because I'm just so excited and have to start looking at them. So a very good afternoon. The feeling when you get home and you remember you have to put sheets on your bed. But I did just get home and we're gonna find Spruce. Is he under here? Oh, there he is. He likes to sleep under the bed recently, and when I'm gone, he sometimes goes under here. Hi, bud. I know I was gone for a bit, but I'm back for the rest of the night, and we're gonna play. Stretch, waking up from his afternoon napping. So sweet.
I think if you have a photo op setup.
Oh yeah, for sure. Because people are always wanting to take pictures of there, and there's no room to.
I was gonna say, when we went there a few weeks ago, there wasn't anything cute. It was just a lot of people and a lot of coolers, and it's like,
that'd be cool if we did a green one.
Yeah.
Like orange and white ones. I think we go. I mean, yes, we want to give them 3. Because like the big one that I go to is probably like.
all right. Getting ready for bed. I have been loving my Hatch alarm clock. I know I talked about it in my full day of habits video. I absolutely love it so far. I've never used the night noise machine. This is a rainforest. Oh, cute. It does a little moon. I don't know. It's kind of nice for some white noise. Maybe I'll have it on while I read. I've been reading a new little cute fall romance book, Awkward in October. It's just like basically exactly this, like a cute little fall romance to help put me in the mood for fall. And this is like an ideal evening setup. I'm tired. My little volunteer nonprofit meeting went good. Was on there for about an hour and a half, and then I did a little bit of work while watching Gilmore Girls, of course, and just literally threw together a dinner of what I had in the freezer. Now I'm just getting ready for bed. I'm really tired, so I want to get in bed and read for a little bit, and then I booked a bar class early in the morning, so I need to go to bed for that. I think the class is at 7, so I need to get up at like 6:15-ish. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you again to Kittle for sponsoring this video. Definitely check them out below. I hope it was fun seeing a little sneak peek at this new launch. More should be coming out by the end of this month or early November at the latest. That's, that's the goal. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.